Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, friends? Today we discuss about the regions of the world. So first of all, what is region? A region is an area which shares some common characteristics. Characteristics may be biological, may be physical, may be cultural. Regions are areas of Earth's surface which share unifying characteristics. Number B. Regions may be defined by physical or cultural characteristics. Number C. Regional labels may be reflect changing in the people's perceptions. Essential questions: why do geographers create and use regions as organizing concept? Number B. What are some examples of physical and cultural regions? Number C. What are some examples of regional labels that reflect changing in the perceptions? Physical regions. The term physical in geography refer to landform, vegetation and climate. Physical region: if the earth had no human, no cities, no evidence of people at all, how could we divide the earth into different regions that share similarities? Physical region: a few examples of physical regions are the Sahara, the Taiga rainforest, the Great Plains, the Low Countries. The Sahara Desert, unifying characteristic climate. The Taiga, unifying characteristic climate and vegetation. The Taiga, coniferous trees in Alaskan Taiga. A rainforest, unifying characteristic climate and vegetation. The Great Plains, unifying characteristics, topography and vegetation. The Great Plain is a region that extends from Canada to Texas. This region is extremely flat and it is covered by grassland called prairies. The Low Countries, unifying characteristics, topography. The Low Countries are Belgium and the Netherlands in Europe. These countries are very flat and low in elevation. Part of the Netherlands are below the sea level. Cultural region. Cultural regions are based on unifying characteristics such as language, ethnicity, religion, economic condition and politics. Language region: Latin America, Spanish, Francophone world, countries in the world that have adopted French as a language of commerce and politics. Most of these countries are colonized by France. Latin American region: green Spanish, orange Portugal, blue French. This is blue French. This is the Spanish. This is the French. This is the Portugali. Francophone world. All these colors have French language. Ethnic regions: Chinatown or ethnic neighborhood such as Little Havana, Kurdistan, a region in the Middle East that encompasses part of Iraq, Turkey, Syria and Iran where Kurdish people live. Chinatown: many large cities around the world have neighborhoods composed of different ethnic groups because people want to live near people who are similar. Chinatown are an example of region based on culture. Kurdistan: this is the Kurdistan map. Religious region: the Islamic world, Southwest Asia, North Africa, Central Asia, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Indonesia. Buddhism: Southeast Asia, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Malaysia, part of China, Korea and Japan. The Muslim world: this is the map of the Muslim world. Unifying character is Islam, the religion of Islam. Economic region: The wheat belt. This is an area in the central United States where wheat or other grain are primary agricultural product. Number B, the European Union, a group of countries in Europe that have signed agreement to stimulate trade and business. Wheat belt. Unifying character is wheat production. Political region. A North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO is a group of countries that share the common purpose of protecting and promoting democracy. Some members of NATO are US, Canada, France and Great Britain. Number B, African Union, a political union in Africa that seek to promote peace, prosperity and commerce. Changing in perception. The way we understand and view region can change over time. Sun belt, Rust belt. The Sun belt is a region that stretches across the southern United States. The population in this region has grown over the last few decades for several reasons. A. Widespread use of air conditioning. B. People retire in northern states and move south. Number C, illegal immigration. Sun belt. Rust belt. A rust belt is a region in the northern United States that used to be the center of heavy industry in the United States, such as automobile industry and steel production. Global competition has forced these industries to either close down or restructure, resulting in the loss of hundreds of thousands of jobs. A few cities in the Rust Belt are Detroit, Pittsburgh, Buffalo, Cleveland. This is the Rust Belt. Thank you. So overall we discuss about the region and regional concept. In next lecture we discuss about the words, different regions. Allah Hafiz.